Hey friends, it's MJ from Learn Fun English, and today you're coming with me on a chill summer morning adventure. We'll explore new words, real-life expressions, and a few surprises too, all in a day. Let's get into it. You know that feeling when the sun sneaks into your room before your alarm does? Yeah, that was me this morning. Eyes half open, blanket kicked off, and thinking, wait, what day is it again? I checked my phone. 7:15 a.m. Not bad for summer. I stretched like a cat. Stretched means I reached out my arms and legs to wake up my body and just lay there for a moment, enjoying the quiet. No school run, no rush, just me and the sound of a distant ice cream truck already starting its day. Classic summer. First stop, the kitchen. Because let's be real. No coffee, no conversation. I grab my favorite mug, the one that says, but first, coffee. Brewed a fresh cup. Brewed means I made coffee using hot water and coffee grounds and took that glorious first sip. Instant happiness. While sipping, I checked the weather app. It said, sunny, 27 degrees Celsius. Perfect. So I threw on a comfy summer outfit. Threw on means I quickly put on clothes. Just a light dress and sandals. And yes, sunscreen. Always sunscreen. Instead of eating at home, I texted my friends, breakfast at the beach? And 5 minutes later, we had a plan. We grabbed some croissants, fresh juice, and iced coffee from a little cafe, then found the perfect spot on the sand. Perfect spot means the best place for what we wanted. Relaxing, eating, and enjoying the view. Morning sun, ocean breeze, and good company. It felt like a mini vacation. We talked, laughed, and just enjoyed the moment. Enjoy the moment means to relax and appreciate what's happening right now. Honestly, breakfast tastes better when you're barefoot and watching waves. Barefoot means without shoes or socks, just your bare feet touching the sand. Just as we were finishing breakfast, we heard music playing nearby. We turned around and saw people setting up for a pop-up beach event. Pop-up means something that appears suddenly for a short time, like a surprise event or market. There were food stalls, live music, and even a mini art corner. Food stalls are small stands or booths that sell food, like street food, snacks, or drinks at events or markets. We looked at each other and said, well, why not? It turned into a full-on beach day we didn't plan, but totally needed. We danced, tried new snacks, and even joined a sand art contest. Yes, we lost, but it was hilarious. Hilarious means very, very funny. Sometimes the best moments are the unplanned ones. After the beach event, we stayed to watch the sunset. The sky turned all kinds of orange, pink, and gold, like a painting. We just sat there, toes in the sand, quiet but smiling. It felt peaceful. Later I got home, took a long shower, and changed into my comfiest pajamas. Then I made a cup of tea, curled up on the couch, and just chilled. Chilled means to relax and do nothing stressful. No phone, no noise, just some soft music and good vibes. And honestly, it was the perfect ending to a summer day. And that was our summer morning, full of sunshine, surprises, and real-life English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun ways to learn. Drop a sun in the comments if you watch till the end. Until next time. And that